Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make your YouTube channel public. I'm making this video for those who are new to making YouTube videos. A few months ago, I didn't know how to do these things just like you. And now you may be thinking, why make your YouTube channel public? Well, the main reason you want to make it public is to reach to a greater and bigger audience. So let's begin. Firstly, you need to go to YouTube and you need to be signed in to your Google account. Then, in the top right hand corner, click your channel icon. Then, click the settings button. After that, go to privacy. You can see that all of my saved playlists and my subscriptions are private. To make them public, just click the button and then they will become public. Thank you for watching. If you found my video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. It will encourage me to do more videos just like this. Thank you.